Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will truly learn how agentic AI applications are going to work in future. So I have built a AI app which is going to take my voice instructions and it will go on to the Amazon.com and search for a web t-shirt for my beach vacation. Here I have given my credentials in a file. It will read those credentials. It will authenticate to the Amazon.com and it will search for a specific t-shirt and that will add it into my Amazon.com cart so that I don't have to spend more time going through the bunch of the research or any other product which I wanted to buy it. So you will truly learn how this future going to looks like. Let's dive into this. Now, I would like to show you how this application is going to take my voice instructions. Hi, please add a beach t-shirt with above 4.5 or higher rating to Amazon cart. Hooray! Application started and it is going to start the Chrome browser and it will also start browsing the Amazon.com from here. As you can see, agent is already accessing Amazon.com. It got the captcha screen. It will capture the screenshot of the current page and it will send that image to the Ollama 3.2 vision model to get the captcha text back and it will enter on the Amazon.com to proceed further. It has got the captcha back from Ollama 3.2 vision model. Now, agent will use grid.json file and it will authenticate to Amazon and it will go on to the search for the beach t-shirts based on the criteria what I have given and it will finally add to the cart. As you can see, agent is trying to filter the t-shirts with above 4.4 ratings, in fact, and it is trying to add those one of the t-shirt to the cart now. And with this, the agent is successfully done its activity. To better explain you about this complete end-to-end flow, I have this diagram which will explain you what is happening underneath this application. So here, when user interact with Ollama 3.2 model, it will call the AI function or the new feature which is added to the Ollama, which will call the another function to interact with Amazon.com, and it will take the screenshots of the captcha screen and it will send it to the Ollama 3.2 vision model to get the text back to the agent or function calling, and it will again interact with the Amazon.com to add a product to a cart. So it is high level flow. Let's dive into the actual coding now. Code, we already been using this Ollama chart. If you don't know about that, I would highly recommend you to look at these videos, which will give you some input on how Llama or Ollama works. I have improved a code, how we input the prompt here. So instead of typing in what we think about it, now we can use the Windows feature, or on Mac also you can set up this, I think. But on Windows, when you click the Windows plus H, it will give you this prompt, which will write the text on any text editor. So at present, it is going to type it here, talk to it and it will convert that into text and you can leave your comment how you like it. So as you know, Ollama has just introduced the Ollama function calling, so I'm using that feature. Also recently Ollama has released JSON structured written output from the Ollama, so I'm also using that. We will go through that one as well. So so this particular function calling is a very good or the best tooling kind of stuff what I can see. So I'm using a tool function which is the Ollama tooling. I'm adding this add t-shirt to Amazon cart. So this is the function which I have created. So we will go through that now. So here is the actual code which will does everything for us. So it will bypass the captcha if it is present and it will sign in into the Amazon.com and it will wait for some time so that the actual page will appear on the screen, and after that it will query this particular string, or we can also, at present I have hard coded it, but we can change it based on the keyword argument. We can pass the user input what we have it. That way it will search for that specific function and it will do the required stuff, and if there is any kind of criteria to select the specific product we can also input here, and finally it will go through the cart, the products, and it will finally add a specific product to the cart. So that's how it is going to work. So I would like to show you some more details about these sub functions what I'm using it. So one of the sub function is the bypass captcha if it is present. So here I'm capturing the image and I'm also sending that to this function where I'm actually calling the Llama 3.2 vision model. And also here I'm using the JSON formatted validations, which is introduced newly so that I'm always getting the captcha output. The last function which I would like to show you is about the sign in into Amazon. So here is the code which will sign into the Amazon and it will enter my credentials by looking at the credentials file, what I have given it here. So it will take the email and it will take the password from the credits file here and it will authenticate to the Amazon.com, manually entering into this screen and it will log in into the Amazon.com. I hope you find some value in this video. Then don't wait for liking this video and subscribing this channel and also leave your comments if you have any. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.